Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Broccoli Cheddar Soup. Just the name alone can make your mouth water and your heart warm. Just the name conjures up images of creamy, cheesy goodness. The velvety texture, the rich, savory flavor, and the vibrant green of the broccoli all come together in a harmonious blend that is both comforting and indulgent. It's a classic for a reason. This soup has stood the test of time, becoming a beloved dish in many households. Whether it's a cold winter night or a rainy afternoon, a bowl of broccoli cheddar soup can make everything feel a little bit better. This soup is a staple on menus and in homes across the country. From high-end restaurants to cozy diners, and from family kitchens to college dorms, broccoli cheddar soup is a favorite that never goes out of style. What is it about this combination of simple ingredients that is so universally loved? Is it the fresh, crisp broccoli that adds a touch of healthiness to the indulgent cheese? Or is it the way the cheddar melts into the broth, creating a creamy, dreamy consistency that is hard to resist? Maybe it's the rich, cheesy flavor. The sharpness of the cheddar perfectly complements the mildness of the broccoli, creating a balance that is both satisfying and delicious. Or perhaps it's the hearty, satisfying texture. Each spoonful is a perfect blend of creamy broth and tender broccoli, making it a meal in itself. It's the kind of soup that fills you up and warms you from the inside out. Whatever the reason, one thing is for sure: broccoli cheddar soup is a culinary triumph. This soup transcends generations. It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's a family dinner, a potluck with friends, or a quiet night in. Grandmothers have passed down their versions to children and grandchildren. Each family has its own special recipe with little tweaks and secret ingredients that make it unique. It's a tradition that is cherished and celebrated. Each bowl holds a story. It's a reminder of family dinners, cozy nights in, and the simple pleasure of good food. It's a dish that is filled with love and memories. It's a reminder of family dinners, cozy nights in, and the simple pleasure of good food. It's a dish that is filled with love and memories. So the next time you enjoy a bowl of broccoli cheddar soup, take a moment to savor not just the flavors, but the history and tradition that come with it. This is more than just a soup. It's a beloved part of our culinary heritage. Let's talk about the star ingredient, broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with nutrients. We're talking vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Broccoli is a good source of vitamins C, K, and A. It also provides potassium and folate. But the real hero here is sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a powerful compound found in broccoli. Research suggests that sulforaphane may have cancer-fighting properties. It's also been linked to improved heart health and brain function. So, eat your broccoli. Now let's move on to the cheese. Cheddar cheese gives the soup its signature sharpness and creaminess. It's true that cheese is high in fat and calories, but it's also a good source of protein and calcium. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. Protein helps build and repair tissues. Everything in moderation, right? A little bit of cheddar cheese in your soup can actually be part of a healthy diet. One of the best things about making broccoli cheddar soup at home is that you can control the ingredients. Store-bought soups are often loaded with sodium. Too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure and other health problems. When you make soup from scratch, you decide how much salt goes in. You can also use low-sodium broth and other healthy substitutions. This way, you can enjoy the flavors you love without compromising your health. Section 5. The comfort factor, a warm hug in a bowl. In this chapter, we delve into the heartwarming world of comfort foods, and what better way to start than with a classic favorite, broccoli cheddar soup. There's something incredibly comforting about a bowl of broccoli cheddar soup. Maybe it's the warmth that radiates from the bowl, enveloping you in a cozy embrace. Maybe it's the creamy texture, smooth and velvety, that glides over your taste buds with each spoonful, offering a sense of indulgence. Or maybe it's the familiar cheesy flavor, rich and savory, that brings back memories of home-cooked meals and family gatherings. Whatever the reason, this soup has a way of making you feel good. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience, a moment of pure comfort and joy. It's the kind of food that you crave on a cold day, when the world outside is harsh and uninviting. A bowl of broccoli cheddar soup can make everything seem a little bit better. It's the perfect meal to come home to after a long day. Imagine walking through the door, tired and weary, only to be greeted by the inviting aroma of this delicious soup. It's like a warm hug waiting for you. And it's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in life are the best. In a world that's constantly moving and changing, it's nice to have something that remains constant, something that you can always rely on to bring you comfort and happiness. The beauty of broccoli cheddar soup lies in its simplicity. With just a few basic ingredients, fresh broccoli, sharp cheddar cheese, and a handful of pantry staples, you can create something truly special. The process of making the soup is almost as comforting as eating it. As you sauté the broccoli and pour in the broth, the kitchen fills with a delightful aroma that promises good things to come. Letting the soup simmer on the stove, you can take a moment to relax and unwind. The gentle bubbling of the pot is like a soothing background melody, adding to the overall sense of calm. When the soup is finally ready, ladling it into a bowl feels like a reward. The vibrant green of the broccoli and the golden hue of the cheese create a visually appealing dish that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Taking that first spoonful, you can't help but smile. The flavors meld together perfectly, creating a harmonious blend that's both satisfying and comforting. Sharing this soup with loved ones makes it even more special. It's a dish that brings people together, fostering a sense of community and warmth. And even when you're on the go, a thermos of broccoli cheddar soup can be a portable source of comfort, keeping you warm and nourished no matter where you are. So, the next time you're in need of a little comfort, remember this simple yet delightful recipe. It's more than just a meal, it's a warm hug in a bowl. Section 6. Versatility at its finest. From simple meals to gourmet delights. Broccoli cheddar soup is incredibly versatile. It's a dish that can easily adapt to any occasion, making it a staple in many households. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy meal to whip up on a busy weeknight or something a bit more sophisticated for a special gathering, this soup has got you covered. It can be served as a simple weeknight meal with a side of crusty bread. Imagine coming home after a long day, and the comforting aroma of broccoli cheddar soup fills the air. Pair it with some freshly baked bread, and you have a meal that's both satisfying and easy to prepare. It's perfect for those nights when you want something hearty but don't have the energy for a complicated recipe. Or it can be dressed up for a more elegant affair. Picture a beautifully set table with elegant dishware, and at the center a gourmet presentation of broccoli cheddar soup. Garnished with a drizzle of cream and a sprinkle of fresh herbs, it's a dish that can impress even the most discerning guests. It's a testament to how a humble soup can be elevated to gourmet status with just a few thoughtful touches. Try serving it in shot glasses as an appetizer. This creative approach is perfect for parties and gatherings. Imagine a tray of these delightful soup shots being passed around at your next event. It's a fun and unexpected way to enjoy a classic dish, and it's sure to be a hit with your guests. The small portions make it easy to enjoy without filling up too quickly, leaving room for other delicious offerings. You can also get creative with toppings. The beauty of broccoli cheddar soup lies in its ability to be customized to your liking. From crunchy croutons to crispy bacon bits, the toppings you choose can add new dimensions of flavor and texture to the soup. It's a great way to personalize the dish and make it your own. Croutons, bacon bits, and a dollop of sour cream are all popular choices. These toppings not only enhance the flavor, but also add a delightful crunch and creaminess to each bite. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different cheeses, add a dash of hot sauce for some heat, or even sprinkle some fresh herbs for a burst of freshness. The versatility of broccoli cheddar soup makes it a dish that you can enjoy in countless ways, ensuring that it never gets boring. So, whether you're in the mood for something simple or something a bit more extravagant, broccoli cheddar soup is the perfect choice. Section 7. Finding balance, healthy indulgence. Broccoli cheddar soup is a great example of how you can enjoy indulgent foods in a healthy way. The broccoli provides a healthy dose of nutrients. The cheese adds flavor and richness. By making this soup at home, you can control the ingredients and make it healthier. It's all about finding balance. Section 8. Conclusion, a classic for a reason. Broccoli cheddar soup is a timeless classic. It's comforting, flavorful, and versatile. And when made with fresh, wholesome ingredients, it can be part of a healthy diet. So, next time you're looking for a delicious and satisfying meal, reach for a bowl of broccoli cheddar soup. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Subscribe to The Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.